Hello everyone, welcome back to SmartTech Junction. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to use one of the newest and most useful feature added to Notepad in Windows 11. Now you can easily able to create a tables on your Notepad. Notepad now support clean and structured table without any external tools. Okay. Before you begin, make sure your Notepad app is up to date. So first you need to update your PC as well. Open your Windows settings. So this is the feature rolling out on latest update. Go to Windows Update, click on check for update. If the update is available, first of all you need to update your PC. As well you need to update your Notepad. Open the Microsoft Store on your PC. Okay, and here you need to search Windows Notepad. If the Notepad app is update available, you need to update your app. After updating, close everything, open the Notepad app. After opening the Notepad, if you want to add a table, click on edit on the right inside the Notepad. Choose the inside table option from here. As you can see guys, now select how many rows and column you want. After selecting, press insert. Okay, a clean table will appear instantly. As you can see guys, you can click inside any cell and start typing. Notepad now support this. Okay, navigating with tab and arrows, adding a new rows, resizing column, moving table cells smoothly, automatically adjusting the text alignment, everything you can do it here as same you can do in your Microsoft Excel. Okay, so this is new feature is excellent for organizing tasks, creating quick list, managing small data sets, writing structure, everything. Okay, so that's for today guys. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.